So right now we are actually going to be in Everest Base Camp from 18th of May, and we will be on a 14-day hike, and we will be back in Malaysia by the 3rd of June. Just trying to show you guys what do you pack when you want to go to EBC. I've been doing some research online, and it seems like everybody's packing list is different because of different weather. So I'm actually looking through the whole agenda. It's actually 14 days to 15 days of non-stop trekking. So there'll be days where we'll be trekking through glaciers, snow. So that's why the packing is very, very crucial, because we can't be sure if it will be snowing on some of the trekking days, or if it will be raining. So yeah, let's go to packing and see what I have to pack. Okay guys, so let's start with the essentials. This is a windproof, waterproof down jacket from Uniqlo. I got it at 599 ringgit. Got this windbreaker from my last trip to Kathmandu. Fleece. I'm gonna act like the third layer for insulation purposes. I got this from Decathlon for I think 59 ringgit. So I got 3 set of heat tech shirt, all extra warm heat tech shirt and pants from Uniqlo. I am bringing 3 sweatpants from Uniqlo as well. I figure I won't be changing so many times, so maybe 1 pants for 3 days to 4 days. This is also from Uniqlo. This is a waterproof, windproof hiking pants, which will serve as the most outer layer, so that I won't get to feel the wind and get wet if it rains. So all these are actually just normal clothes to keep me dry on the second layer, and pants just in case it's hot. I've got this 40-liter backpack from Decathlon at 79 ringgit, super duper cheap. And this the one that I gotten from Decathlon as well. Cost me about 100 a pair, but it's actually for winter use, waterproof, windproof. Muffs for closing my mouth, because it's I don't know, I read and it's dusty. Towel, beanie, socks, plenty of them, Decathlon. Got this bladder which can hold up to 3 liter from Sports Direct. This cost me about 89 ringgit, so that I don't have to break and drink and take my water, so I can just drink straight from this opening here. Whistle with temperature and a compass, just in case I get lost. Torchlight from Decathlon as well, cost me about 29. Heat pack, and I got this Kicha back cover just in case it rained. Gotten this from Decathlon as well at 39 bucks. These are actually very, very good sole pads that I've gotten from Decathlon. Cost me about 29 bucks, I think. Yeah, memory foam is very, very good. I have gotten all this prescription from the doctor. Stuff like stomach pain, wind, nausea, flu. One of the most important one I've gotten is this. It's actually called acetazolamide. No, wait. Acetazolamide. Okay, whatever it's pronounced. It's actually pills to prevent altitude sickness. I've got this from Caring Pharmacy. Contact lens solution, vitamin C, spray to relieve muscle, lip balm because my lips gonna be cracking, it's gonna be so hot. Vitamin, cough syrup, got this from Thailand to relieve blocked nose, stuffy nose. Oral rehydration salt from Watson. So we will be needing this to rehydrate. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to do. Over the past 3 months, I've been stealing a lot of tea from hotels so that we can actually have tea on our way. I've gotten all these sweets, Malaysian sweet. I read reviews that there'll be a lot of children on the way. They'll be asking for merchandises and sweet. And all these are gonna be my supplement on the way if I ever feel hungry. Sunny's GoPro, more GoPro stuff, and this I've actually purposely went and buy a stabilizer which I am actually using right now, so that I can record my journey. So yep, that's my packing list. So I'm gonna go get packing because I'm only 2 days away from EBC. Let's go. Finally done with packing. It's actually very hard to pack because I have to segregate like into 3 bags. So this is gonna be the bag that I will be carrying when I hike. So I am trying to just put like the things that I really need, because every single gram and weight that is inside here will affect how I hike. So inside this bag, this whole bag, this at least weigh like 15 to 20 kilo. So this whole bag is gonna be my like daily essentials, my clothes, my pants, my socks, my toiletries, and all this whole bag will be given to the porter. So the porter will actually be carrying this for me. I won't be carrying this, it's too heavy. So this is what I'm going to carry. This is what the porter will carry. And this over here, I don't know where to put this, but it's just all the foods like vitamin, ORS, like the sweets, the chocolate bars. I don't know, man, like I have no idea how to do this, but I guess I'll figure out when I get there. Yup. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in EBC. Peace out.